Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to install and use Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, One UI 8.5. By default, Samsung Keyboard is the default keyboard. Check out the 2 steps below to use the Gboard keyboard on Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, and any other Samsung Galaxy devices. Step 1. Download and install Gboard. Open the Play Store. Search for the Gboard, the Google keyboard. Tap Install. Step 2. Set Gboard as default keyboard. Open the app drawer and tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Keyboard. Toggle on Gboard and tap OK. Tap the default keyboard at the top. Choose Gboard as an input method. Now you can access Gboard as the default Samsung keyboard. It's easy to change the default keyboard on any Samsung phone.